Gridly is a localization platform where software companies can manage content and translation efficiently in one place. The Content Management module lets you manage multilingual content in a clearly defined, spreadsheet-like structure. Each column can store a specific data type, like a source or target language, a Boolean, or media files. Based on the type, columns come with their own attributes and options. You can use built-in tools like translation memory, make bulk updates, and filter the content you need. Relationships between columns help you track differences between source and target languages and automatically update translation status. This makes it easy to filter content that needs translation and trigger automated actions, such as generating translations for target languages with an AI engine. Tracking who provided translations helps you identify what was generated by AI. Finally, you can export the content to a file or use the API or webhooks to push it to your deployment environment. The Translation Management module lets you handle translation tasks efficiently. Start by pushing your source text and any additional content into the TMS. Choose which languages and content you want to translate and pick a workflow that fits your content type. The system creates a translation job, ready to be assigned and tracked in real time. Your content is automatically organized into translation categories, which define the localization resources and QA checks involved in translation. Analyze the volume and repetitions in the translation job to get a clear picture of your workload. The job is then automatically split into tasks for each target language, which you can assign to translators. With the TMS module, you can also translate unstructured content that isn't stored in the Gridly CMS, like Word documents or presentations. Just upload a file and create a job with the desired workflow. To translate content instantly, run the Translation Wizard. It pulls in any existing translations from your memory and fills in the rest using AI. You can then download the updated translation files for each language in the same format as the original document, with all formatting preserved and ready to use. For content involving human translators, the TMS lets you track progress in real time. You can deliver the finalized translations back to the Content Management module to update the view of the grid where your multilingual content is stored. In the CMS, you can then manage the translation import. Gridly detects any updates made after the job was started and keeps all statuses correctly synced. With the Computer-Assisted Translation module, translators can work faster without compromising on quality. They open assigned tasks in an editor equipped with a rich set of linguistic tools, like translation memory, and easily mark translations as complete. The interface also displays helpful contextual data pushed from the CMS module, like translations into other languages, IDs, extra notes, or screenshots. Translators can apply suggestions from the AI assistant, which can pre-translate or tweak the text as needed. If something's unclear, they can create a ticket for that specific segment right in the editor and get notified once it's resolved. To ensure quality, automated QA checks can be run on the whole batch based on the rules defined in the TMS. This gives a quick overview of issues to fix before closing the task. And depending on the workflow assigned in the Gridly TMS, translators can easily mark their tasks as complete and move on to the next one. By combining CMS, TMS, and CAT capabilities in one platform, Gridly helps you localize efficiently from end to end.